fact, it was definitely a pleasant sight to start the morning with long queues at polling booths, at least around 2,000 to 3,000. But we're talking of at least 4 crore voters in the fray, and women voters dominating the show here as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned. What is interesting is that I'm here near the party headquarters of Jana Sena, and this is headed by Pawan Kalyan. And most of them see him as one of the noted actors here. In fact, this is the ground where Pawan Kalyan's office is situated, and you have his campaign vehicle, his helicopter. Most of them who are queuing up here, in fact, I mistook it to be a polling booth and then realized that all of them are here just to see a glimpse of their favorite actor here. And here is one young man who has come all the way from the US. He's studying in the US, but he's come here to cast his vote. How important is it for you to participate in this democracy, in this festival of democracy?
Because if we see now, we need a new government, and we actually need a good governance who ruled by some people like Chandrababu Naidu and Pawan Kalyan. We need to see that. Yeah.
Right. What about you? You're a big fan of Pawan Kalyan, I'm told. Can you imitate one of his dialogues?
మనల్ని ఎవరు ఆపేది we are willing to say that we are the only party which can do good things for AP.
Right. What about you, young man? Have you cast your vote?
No, we came here to see the leader, so probably we're gonna vote. We'll make sure the government, how the people were been thinking, like make sure
You're
this time,
looking at good governance and good show in the democracy?
yeah, sure. This time people will be. Many of the people were been thinking how the government is gonna be.
Yeah.
So
What is your message to young voters like you?
Yeah, make sure like everyone is gonna vote so that the voting poll will be increasing, so that the decision will be in a good manner.
Right.
So
In fact, Andhra Pradesh is noted for its voter turnout. In 2019, there was a record voter turnout of 79%, and this time the election officials have mentioned that they want to bring it to 82%. So what is your message to young voters? In fact, we are talking of at least around 10 lakh new voters in the fray here.
It's an election day, so please make use of that opportunity. So it's a way of expressing our opinion. So please make use of it. You have time till 6 p.m. I know. So it's not for any one party. It's a matter of change. People are expecting a new change. Let's hope on the election result.
What are the issues that you have in mind when you go to cast your vote? Because you're talking of both local issues as well as national issues, because Andhra Pradesh is saying assembly election as well as parliamentary election.
It's a joint agenda actually. It's both welfare and development. So it should go hand on hand. So hope few parties have come together and they are expecting that they would do not only welfare. Welfare is good, but at the same development is also needed.
All of them looking at both welfare as well as development as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned. It is a triangular contest, a high decibel fight. We'll have to wait to see whether they would be choosing the chief minister as well as looking at a capital city for Andhra Pradesh. Remember, after the bifurcation, Andhra Pradesh is yet to decide on its capital city, whether it would be Amravati or Vizag. All of these playing in the minds of voters as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned. Back to you.